Let me give you a sneak peek into what we'll cover in this game-changing webinar. What AI is and why it matters. Real-world examples of AI transforming industries, how AI is reshaping the job market. Spotting AI trends and opportunities in your industry. Case studies of AI-driven career growth. Tools and resources to stay updated on AI developments. Essential skills for thriving in an AI-powered world. Online courses, certifications, and learning paths. Practical exercises to enhance your AI knowledge. The best AI tools for time management, project planning, and more. How to integrate AI into your daily workflow. Real-life success stories of professionals using AI. Setting achievable career goals with AI networking and building your personal brand in the AI space. Creating a step-by-step action plan for career growth. But that's not all. By joining this webinar, you'll also get access to exclusive bonus content, including a comprehensive AI career guide ebook, templates for AI-enhanced resume and cover letters, a special Q&A session where I'll answer your burning questions. So, are you ready to take your career to the next level with the power of AI? Don't miss this opportunity to gain a competitive edge and achieve your professional goals. Sign up now for our Career Growth and AI webinar. Click the link below to reserve your spot. Seats are limited and you don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. Let's embrace the future together and unlock your true potential. I can't wait to see you there.